Most people are consuming chia seeds completely wrong, causing bloating and dehydration instead of getting health benefits. So what exactly are chia seeds? These tiny black seeds from the Salvia hispanica plant are nutritional powerhouses. Just 1 ounce contains 11 grams of fiber, 4 grams of protein, and they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and antioxidants. Think of them as nature's multivitamin in seed form. Research shows that chia seeds can significantly improve your health in several ways. They help regulate blood sugar levels by slowing down digestion and creating a gel-like substance in your stomach that promotes satiety. Studies have found they can reduce LDL cholesterol while increasing HDL cholesterol. The high fiber content supports digestive health and may aid in weight management by keeping you fuller longer. Plus, the omega-3s support heart health and reduce inflammation. Here's where most people mess up. They eat chia seeds completely dry. When you consume dry chia seeds, they absorb water from your digestive system, expanding up to 12 times their original size. This can lead to serious bloating, gas, stomach cramps, and even dehydration because they're literally pulling water from your body to expand. In extreme cases, dry chia seeds have even caused esophageal blockages. The solution is simple. Always pre-soak your chia seeds. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with at least 8 ounces of water, plant milk, or yogurt. Let them sit for 10-15 minutes until they form a gel-like consistency. This prehydration allows them to expand outside your body, not inside it. You can also add them to overnight oats, blend them into smoothies with plenty of liquid, or make chia puddings. Start with just 1 tablespoon per day, and gradually increase to avoid digestive upset. Pro tip: make a big batch of chia gel at the beginning of the week and store it in your fridge for easy use. Remember, chia seeds are incredibly beneficial, but only when consumed properly. Pre-soak them, stay hydrated, and start small. Your digestive system will thank you, and you'll actually get those amazing health benefits you're looking for. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more science-backed health and nutrition tips.